On the first day of Christmas, OneSupport gave to me. Hey y'all, this is Chris with OneSupport.com, and today is our first day of Christmas. Today we'll be unboxing, reviewing, and giving away the JBL GO 2 Bluetooth speaker. So we picked up the JBL GO 2 Bluetooth speaker on Amazon for $40, and I'm going to have that link down below in the description for you. So this Bluetooth speaker boasts up to 5 hours of playtime on a full charge, speakerphone capabilities, and an IPX7 waterproof rating, which means up to 3 feet for 30 minutes. Let's open it up and take a look at it. So you can see here that the JBL GO 2 Bluetooth speaker is actually pretty small, but that's alright because it's designed for portability. It's supposed to go with you. Alright, so the speaker itself is actually, it's pretty light. It might be 1 pound total. You do have your buttons up here at the top. Power button, Bluetooth button, volume buttons, and I'm assuming that's a play pause button. Over here you have your micro USB port for charging, and you actually have a 3.5mm port so that you can actually plug a device into this and not just use Bluetooth. Also inside the box came all of your literature and your micro USB cable for charging. Alright, well let's turn it on and see how it sounds. Alright, so since this is a holiday gift, let's go ahead and listen to my favorite holiday song. Alright, so this is with the volume at about 50%. Let's go ahead and turn it up and see how it sounds. So the sound quality is actually really clear, really nice. When you turn it up all the way, it is actually very loud. This does provide enough volume to, really get across a room if this is the only speaker that you're listening to. Alright, so this tiny little speaker actually did have great sound quality. With the volume all the way up, it got really loud enough to, fill a room if this is the source of your entertainment. So yeah, that's actually not a bad speaker. And again, we picked this up for $40 on Amazon.com, and I'm going to have that link down below for you in the description. Also, don't forget to click the link down below in the description to enter to win the JBL GO 2 Bluetooth speaker. Alright y'all, that is the JBL GO 2 Bluetooth speaker. This would make a great gift for anybody who's a fan of music. Again, it is waterproof up to 3 feet for 30 minutes, so you could have it outside at a pool or, outside during football or soccer practice, and it should be able to handle the elements all right. Make sure you click the link down below to enter to win, and be sure to subscribe and hit the bell next to subscribe so you get notified for the remaining giveaways we have this year. And in the meantime, if you have any other questions, feel free to visit us at OneSupport.com or give one of our technology advisors a call at the number on your screen. Thanks for watching.